I learned to walk from my friend, the cat. Where's the cat? Can somebody point to me? Where's the cat? Where's the cat? Can you look for the cat? Where's the cat? Where? There's the cat. Good job. I learned to jump from my friend, the dog. Where's the dog? Where's the dog? Where's the dog? Cedric. Where's the dog? Where's the dog? Where's the dog? Good job.
Very good.
I learned to climb from my friend, my friend, the monkey. I learned to run from my friend, the horse. I learned to march from my friend, what's this? It's a chicken or rooster. I learned to nap from my friend, the crocodile.
Ba yan, ma'am?
I learned to smell the flowers from my friend, the butterfly. I learned to hide from my friend, the rabbit. I learned to explore the earth from my friend, the ant. Where's the ant? Where's the ant? There! The teeny ant! There. Where's the ant, Andy? The ant. Can you find the ant? There. It's small. The ant is small and it's color black. I learned to kick from my friend, the gorilla. Look, it's a big, big gorilla. I learned to watch the night sky from my friend, owl. Owl's big eyes. The owl with a big eye.
Yes, in Wonder Pets, there's an owl there, yes.
I learned to sing from my friend, the bird.
Where's the bird?
Okay. I learned to read from my friend,
We don't like
the books. I learned to study from my friend and from the teacher. I learned to play from my friends at school.
Who are your friends?
And I learned to love from a friend like you. The end. Okay? Did you like the story?
Yes.
Did you like the story?
Yes.
Okay. Now, are you ready for our arts and crafts?
Yes.
Okay, let's go back to our table.